solitude in mind. Thoughts come to me and fade away. Custom dreams I've always had. I'll take it apart.
Welcome back to Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. Today we're going to be doing a little walk around on a 1997 Camaro. This car here has the 5.7 under the hood. I think it was right over 100,000 miles. We'll be checking that out here in just a moment. In this video, I'm going to be pointing out any kind of flaws I could find so you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. If you have any other questions, check out maplemotors.com. We have financing and shipping information, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. All of my inventory is updated every Monday. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, if you like the music, you can follow Southgate Production. I've got links all over the page to that. That is a music channel that I control. All right, guys, starting up here in the front. Gonna be looking for anything that we could find. Looks like you got a couple little chips from rocks and bugs and whatnot from the road. Getting real close. There's a little spot under the stripe there. Nice and clean under the hood. Cold AC in this car. Still got the insulation. Disc brakes, good tires. Few rock chips from the road right there, back behind the rear tire. T-tops in this one. Tent's still good. Rear bumper has some spider webbing popping up down at the bottom. You can see that. Weather stripping looks pretty good all the way around the back hatch here. You got T-top covers down in the bottom. That is not a T-top cover. That is for the front end. Yep. It covers the front end up, keeps it nice and clean. Go ahead and shut this lid down here to see how easily it shuts. Nice and tight now. Does have some stains, I guess from dirt on these mirrors here. I'm wondering, that should buff out. And you got some of the stripes cracking down inside the little louvers on the hood. All right, made it all the way around this car. Let's go ahead and check the interior out. Door panel's in great shape. Checking the underside of the door. Weather stripping looks good all the way around this door here. The seats are not in bad shape. They do have a little bit of dry cracking starting. The seat itself is a little discolored, but it's not all ripped up, still in decent shape. Headliner looks good, T-top's nice, the seals look good around them. The dash, of course, it's cracked. That's what they do on these years. I had a few of them back in the day. And they all cracked, every one of them. Because it's so thin and so hot up there. Let's go start it up. Starts up nice and easy. AC is already on and blowing. Nice and cold. It is at 111,000 miles. I can't stand behind that. This one is true mileage. Gas gauge is working, battery's working, oil pressure's working, and the engine temp is working. Looks like our RPM's coming up. They're working as well. Windshield wipers do work on this one. Radio, I got the face of the radio in the office. Console doesn't have the elbow spot yet. Still nice and clean. You can order these pieces there. Good deal. Trunk button works. That's how I open the trunk. The rectangle exhaust. Pretty quiet motor. All right, we're gonna go ahead and shut the hood down here. What we're gonna be doing here in just a moment is some undercarriage shots. We're gonna start up in the front, go to the driver's side, the rear, and the passenger side. Check out maplemotors.com. Close to 100 detailed pictures, financing information, and shipping. All right, let's look under this. Remember, you got to get past that little louver down there. Let's go over here. All right, guys, I do appreciate you watching. We got a shipping truck pulling up right now, picking up something. We're gonna be going for a test drive here shortly. Be looking for that. The last 30 seconds of this video will lead you right there. You can look up any of my cars. Just go to my website, see our inventory on there, look up the year, the model, and Maple Motors, and you should be able to pull up 2 videos of them. That's a test drive and a walk around, just like this. Test drive's coming up soon. I hope y'all enjoyed this video here. Like I said, detailed pictures, shipping, financing on my website at maplemotors.com. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button. I post videos every single day. You can also follow my music channel. If you like the intro music, I made all that. Check that out. That's Southgate production. I'll put links up in the top right hand corner for that as well. Thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Y'all have a good one.